What's up, guys? I'm Max. We are Southwest Active Explorers, and today we are talking Atlas transfer cases, specifically the 4-speed Atlas, and unboxing it.
Oh, that was it.
Hey guys, if you are new to our channel, if you're into off-roading, rock crawling, and all things Jeep related, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. Let's get into it. This thing came in 2 separate boxes. I've already opened the top box, but I haven't really opened the packages in it yet. Let's do some exploring. Packaging materials. First impression, everything is packaged really nice. This is the Atlas 4-speed planetary cable shifter. It's got a full inventory list of what exactly is in this little package. Really like how everything is packaged. Here we have the 4L60E hex pattern to Atlas adapter. I have this particularly because I'm running a 4L60E transmission. Crossmember kit. I ordered their crossmember kit to go along with my Atlas. They weigh so much, I personally feel like you need to have them on at the back of them. That's a lot of weight to hang off the back end of a transmission. So, I got the crossmember mount. Alright, we got Atlas transfer case cable shifter unit for the units that are built after 2012. Same thing still holds true. Inventory list, everything's all packaged really neat and organized. Really impressed with how everything has come so far. That is the end of box 1. Well, look at that. That's the money shot right there. I ordered the 10.25, roughly 10 point whatever to 1 transfer case 4-speed. That's pretty extreme. Might be a little more extreme than what I need, but I ordered it for one big reason and one big reason alone. The gear ranges are fairly split apart, so I have more options with different gearing. I can use the doubler, or I can use the low range, or the both. I've got options on what gear range I'm in, and that's honestly why I went that route. Now, we got to get it out of this foam, and I got a test I got to do on it. Alright, why do I have it propped up on the side? I got contacted by Atlas. They had some of the transfer cases leave their manufacturing plant without some of the C-clips installed on the input shaft. So they asked me if I would do a test on this one. When I push in on the input shaft, if it moves, I need to send this thing back to Atlas to have them do some maintenance on it. If it doesn't move, we're good to go. I haven't done it yet. I'm really hoping we're good to go. Let's push in. Oh, yeah. We're solid. All right. I'm confident with that. Whew. We don't have to send it back. This is a heavy beast. However, I honestly think it's probably lighter than the cast iron housed one I was going to use. And it's honestly no heavier than a transmission, so putting it in is gonna be a bear, but so far I'm really impressed. I'd say 8 out of 10 so far with my satisfaction as how everything is packaged, how it all came. Just had me a little worried with having to do that test. Other than that, I really like the organization, and I'm really looking forward to getting this thing installed in the Jeep. Anyhow, if you guys are into off-roading, rock crawling, or all things Jeep, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications, and watch our off-roading videos. As always, guys, stay active and keep exploring.